This is a tutorial to teach you how to install HarmonicCharter and how to do trade live with it in MetaTrader 4. First you need to download. I have downloaded this. You need to extract it. I have MetaTrader installed with a demo account. Once you extracted it, you only need to copy all the files. First close MetaTrader. To the folder is in T, documents, program files, the installation path for your MetaTrader experts, and extract and copy these files to this folder. These files have the indicators, the libraries, the includes, the scripts, and the main expert. Once that is ready, you need to restart MetaTrader. You will need to add a symbol like this. I like to have these settings to move this bar, the chart shift, to place this to have maximum space in the window. I add the new indicators. This is indicators. This is custom indicators, the ones you are just added. Trends line. The inputs, you can choose which trends are traced. Because I trade in 30 minutes, I place trends from 30 minutes to 1 week. Next, you need to add the plot trades. This is to show 20 hours of trades. If you trade 2 or 3 times a day, this is good to see your trades. Next, I add my own indicator of multi-frame trend. There is it. I changed to candlesticks. I choose the properties. No, I don't like the grid. I like the settings. Bigger. And 3 minutes. Next, you need to move some options. You need to allow live trading, allow DLLs, disable confirm DLLs. After that, you only need to add the export. Here is the export. It has the DLLs activated, allow live trading. These are the default settings. This is to convert a tool to convert GIF files to PNG files. It's not necessary. Okay, you should check the expert log. No error about harmonic bot. This error from transline day, but from HarmonicCharter there is not error. Then this is how it is seen. You can see this menu. You can have 3 buy or 3 sell patterns. This is to enable the disable trailing stop. This is to reset a pattern. To the default. Yes. This only resets the patterns that are on screen. If you have patterns that are hidden, then they are not modified. This take a snapshot. Snapshot is saved here, files, records. And this is the file. If you have the convert tool, this file will be converted to PNG. Then to place a trade, you use these two scripts. You can place here a cell. You can choose the percent risk. This is 2.5% of the total account equity. This will place the order instantly. If the price is like this, just in the level you choose, the trade will be placed with market price. If not, it will be placed pending. I like to place virtual orders because the risk is recalculated just before the trade is placed real. You can choose the T-money bag times with this, only the formation times. This is attesting to only place trades that are, have candlesticks like this. You can see this is a candlestick detector. If the candlestick is activated just when the price, the bid and ask, is in the level you choose, the trade will place it real. These are the OCO groups. If 0, no OCO group. If you choose another number like 1, you can join multiple orders as one OCO group, and if one of them are triggered, the other are cancelled. This place, you can see the message here. This is the order placed, order 2000. This is the expiration date of that order. Okay, now I can, with double click over the green line, this is not, the green line is the take profit, the orange line is the entry price. Okay. Well, the order was placed live. The price entered, the order was placed live. You can see here, this is the size automatic calculator. Okay, move. This is the stop level, this one. You can place another order just like this. I will show you the OCO group. This is a pending order. Now I'm going to place this another order with the same OCO group, but this is buy order. You can see the order number, virtual order number, is distinct, but the OCO group is the same. I'm going to place another buy order with the same OCO group. Order is different with the same OCO group. I double click the orange line, and with it the order is removed. I'm going to force this order to be open. Just look at this one. when this order is activated, the other order is cancelled. Now you have two sell orders. If you look, this size is lowered because the free margin is less than the initial margin. This is a demo count. Okay, now I'm going to cancel the orders. I'm going to hide this and save this as a template. Now you can add another pair, set the time, and then apply the same template. Voila, you have the same settings. You can see this is the menu for GBP for the pound, and this one is for the Swiss. You can see this is blue because this is not correlated with the Swiss. But if you add this one and I think this other one are correlated in 10 minutes, okay, 30 minutes. Okay, you can see these are in red because the Swiss and the pound are directly correlated with the euro. So this is an alert to not place two trades of correlated pairs at the same time. You can see this. Let's draw some chart. Okay, move this to this place. You can see the Fibonacci levels refresh when you move trade or the pattern. Okay, this is what you can see. You can look at confluences here. You can look at the trend lines, the Fibonacci level, the weekly resistance and supports for pivots, the time for the server, the local time of the machine, the signet time. This is calculated with the parameter you add in the when you add the HarmonicCharter. You can set this is to close all the trades at the weekend. Where is the okay, this is my time zone, my time zone. This is the time zone of my server. You can set your own here, and that's all for this tutorial. Thanks.